Okay, guys, sorry, interrupted by a message, so we'll just continue where we were. Now, we are looking at numbers of students instead of percentages. So, if I add up all of these numbers, then whatever is left after subtracting from 234 will be how many students actually took a nap. And that number is 32. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. In other words, 75 plus 45 plus 26 plus 56, if I took that and subtracted that from 234, I would get 32. Okay? What percentage of students ate a snack? If I'm looking at a percentage of students that ate a snack, I have to put the snack kids over the total number of kids. That's part to whole. And then I'm looking for a percentage, and remember when we're doing percent proportions, the 100 always goes in the bottom right-hand corner. I solve for x. Cross multiply and divide. Now if the next question says what percent of students do homework or color, the first thing I have to do is add up students that do homework or color. When I add those together, I get 82. So now I've got 82 is the part I'm looking for. 234 is the whole amount of students. How many percentages out of 100? And my answer should end up being 35%. 11 of them do homework, 24 of them color. Thought I'd separate that for you just in case you were interested. Next, if there were 400 students in the 6th grade, what percent of students played in the woods after school? If you see, there are no question marks. There's supposed to be one here in cheer practice. So that's the one that you would have to figure out by adding these together. 200 plus 140 is 340, which means 60 students cheer after school. That's what you have to find for the missing value. Now let's go back up here and say how many played in the woods? Well, 100 of them played in the woods. Again, part to whole, part to whole. I'll use a different color so you can see it better. If I take those zeros out, it's 1/4. Some of you know 1/4 is 25%. What percent of the students have football or cheer practice after school? Well, we figured out the cheer. We know the football. 120 plus 60 is 180. 180 over 400 is how many students do this. How many students total? Zip, zip. What percent are we looking for? 100%. That gives us 45%. That takes care of this lesson. Sorry we had to split it up.